Nelson, Vagon.
This is the foundation.
Yeah, man.
And this is what you're doing here.
Yeah,
Keep working out.
Yeah, man. Think man, wow.
Yeah. No, no, put 9 with you.
She don't drink, huh? White rum.
What did you say? What did you say? The special edition?
Huh?
Special edition.
Uptown special, not Boom Red Bull.
That's a Melissa to the place, brother. Just a same time. Yeah. Oh, you know.
Yo.
You know the business set, right? Mm-hmm. Shop on site. Moon skull.
You saw a shot?
How that tiger?
Yeah.
Yeah. Lenny and Manny.
Lenny,
Alright.
don't fuck up.
Don't fuck up. How this? Very amazing.
These are foundation.
Them to know. Foundation. Yo!
Foundation. Holy God.
See it? Ready now. It's a Palmer Foundation. Giving back to Jamaica. Yes, sir. And this is how Mr. Palmer do it. You get me? Giving back to the foundation. See the shirt? You know it work. Yo!
And it was very important to me, not just advice, but it's like a citizen of Jamaica. And a Jamaican with patriotic like most of us. I was in America watching everything and it brought tears to my heart. I was a TJ that we come to Jamaica to represent the people. Spend some money and make the people then see we on the ground. Which I think that has a lot to do with this whole rebuilding process. You know, people believe in us as artists, so it's good when they can actually see us physically and see us on the ground working, and that also help to motivate other people to get involved as well. So for me, it was of the utmost importance to be here, not just send money or send behind, but to actually be here, yes.
So let's go directly now. You're here.
Yeah.
You just went for Children's Home, which is deep in the world of Nova.
Yes.
And you took the ride, you
Yes.
drove to Montego Bay.
Yes.
Now you're doing different aspects of the trip. Talk to us about specifically what they are. So
All
that
right.
people understand.